the best and she always gon' check up on me. I know that one day we'll love each other because we homies. She doing everything that I knew she would when I knew she could. Selling hair and chop, but the word don't ask cause I know she good, but may I know this. Now this ain't YouTube, but I broadcast when I hit my show list. And she always focuses something that she gon' always do to me, but it ain't new to me, and she's exclusively. Get it? I say that probably went over y'all heads.
What's up? What's good? What's poppin'? It's your girl, exclusively back with another poppin' video. Hey. So I decided to do 7 days of natural during Vlogmas, or whatever you want to call this. I didn't get to film a new Vlogmas intro. I didn't even start for day one for Vlogmas, so I'm just gonna catch up, do 7 days of natural, do a couple vlogs, do some stuff around Christmas time, and call it Vlogmas. So today I'm just going to do a FLEXI ROD set. I haven't done a FLEXI ROD set in probably over 2 years, so we're gonna see how this works out on my new beautiful hair color. This isn't too new, but I haven't posted too much about my hair, my natural hair lately, so we're gonna get back into that. So the products I'm gonna be using today is Lotta Body 5-in-1 leave-in treatment. Also, I'm gonna be using Creme of Nature Twisting Cream, smells delicious. And I'm also gonna be using Creme of Nature Shine Mist. It's basically some oil and some shine because I definitely want my curls to look really good. So those are 3 products I'm gonna be using. I'm about to section my hair off into 4 sections. And I'm gonna try to have around 5 FLEXI rods per section, just because that's how many FLEXI rods I have. I got like 21 FLEXI rods right now. Don't ask me where all my other ones are. I really don't know. I leave for college and everything disappears. So I'm gonna do like a mix match in this set in all 4 sections of the purple, orange, and the gray, just so I can have like a variation of size of curls. And I'm just gonna mix it up. So I'm just gonna section a piece off, clip the rest up, go ahead and apply my products. Make sure it's smooth.
Hitting my
finally done. So I do have a like hooded dryer machine. I'm about to sit under there for about an hour to watch a movie with my headphones in, and I'm gonna let the rest air dry overnight. If it's still damp, then I'm gonna sit on the dryer again in the morning, and then I'm gonna show you guys this beautiful takedown. Hopefully it turns out well. It is the morning of, and I'm about to take this down. I just dried it again for about 30 minutes. So we're gonna see how this turn out. I don't do sets like this because it looks like this. I don't know what to do with this, so I'm about to go change, and I'm gonna put this in a high ponytail and try to stretch these curls. Let's see what happens from there. gonna come back right before like I leave out the house and show you guys some better lighting and show you how my hair is. Baby girl, this is cute.